Good morning, students. Today I discuss the topic mutual inductance. Consider a closed circuit C2 placed in the magnetic field of closed circuit C1. The flux linked with the circuit C2 depend upon its position and the current flowing in the coil C1. If the relative position of C2 is fixed, the flux linked with C2 is constant for a constant current in C1. The magnetic field at any point produced due to the current flowing in C1 is directly proportional to the current flowing in circuit C1. Hence, the flux linked with the circuit C2 will depend upon the current flowing in circuit C1. When the current flowing through the circuit C1 changes, the flux linked with the neighboring circuit C2 also changes. Hence, an induced EMF is set up in the neighboring circuit. This phenomenon is called mutual induction. The circuit in which the current changes is called the primary circuit, while the neighboring circuit in which EMF is induced is called the secondary circuit. In this figure, this is an arrangement of two fixed coils. A controllable current I1 passed through the primary P. The current in P will produce magnetic field B1 at any instant when current is constant I1 if phi to 1 denote the flux B1 through the secondary. Then phi to 1 is equal to surface integral B1 into ds2. The value of phi to 1 depends upon B1, which is turn depends on I1 provided the shape and relative position of primary and secondary coil is fixed. Then phi to 1 is always proportional to current I1. Phi to 1 upon I1 is equal to constant. Suppose I1 changes with time, the flux phi to 1 will also change and there will be an induced EMF in secondary. According to the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, E to 1 equal to minus d phi to 1 upon dt or minus constant di1 upon dt for the definition of self-induction. The constant or in equation first and second is same and denoted by M21 and M21 is called the coefficient of mutual inductance. Then E21 equal to minus M21 di1 upon dt or E21 equal to M21 di1 upon dt. In equation second, the negative sign indicates the direction of EMF induced. The value of M21 depends on the geometry of arrangement of coils P and S. Similarly, for the process when pass the current through the secondary and calculate the induced EMF in the primary coil, proceeding in the same manner, we get E12 equal to M12 di2 upon dt. Thus, for any two circuits, M12 equal to M21 equal to M. In equation first, phi to 1 upon I1 is equal to constant. It is the flux linked with the circuit due to a unit current flowing through the other nearby. M21 equal to phi to 1 upon I1. When I1 equal to 1, then M21 equal to phi to 1. In equation second, M21 equal to E2 minus di1 upon dt. It is EMF induced in a circuit when the rate of decay of current in the other circuit is unity. When minus di1 upon dt is equal to 1, then M21 equal to E21. For the definition of equation first is satisfactory for when the permeability of the medium is constant. When permeability of the medium is not constant, then we define mutual inductance in equation second. However, both definition in equation first and second lead to the same result when the permeability of the medium is constant. The units of mutual inductance are the same as those of the self-inductance. The practical unit of the mutual inductance of the two circuits when the induced EMF in one circuit is 1 volt due to rate of change of current 1 ampere per second. In the other circuit and is called Henry, then 1 Henry is equal to 1 Newton meters per ampere square.